Today we will talk about apples. Do you know which apples are the healthiest, red-skinned, yellow-skinned, or green-skinned? At the end of this short video, you will find out the answer to this question. Well, you must admit that apples of any color are good. And here is the answer. There is a lot of carotene in red and yellow apples. It is good for cells and vision. In green there is a lot of iron, which is also good for the body. So eat any apples, but not on an empty stomach, and do not use them as the main product of your diet. Love yourself and be happy.